So, hello guys. Today we're going to be showing you guys some beautiful ASMR with some beautiful slime, people. You guys probably can't see, right?
Yeah, the line's really bad.
Yeah.
So, my name is Alma.
Oh, and I'm Serenity. I'm crazy. I should have said that. Okay, anyways, back with the video.
So, this is actually going to be our first video. We're going to continue making more, maybe.
We have two different channels. We have one that's going to be off of Alma's computer and one off here, so hey.
So,
it's currently Alma's channel, which means I will not be here in every video, sadly, but I will be here most of them because Alma needs to start telling me when she starts doing things. You right, Alma?
there might be another goal sometimes.
Oh, she's never going to be here. Her name's Tiana. She has blue braids. She thinks she's the boss of everything. Don't tell her I said that. But anyways, we love Tiana because she's a part of the family here. And we love all of each other. So I don't want to hear any in the comments. She's mine. She's mine. Okay? So anyways, you can start with a beautiful ASMR on that beautiful crackalackle slime.
Okay, so this is the slime I'm going to be doing. We did it with clear glue, and I can even show you proof. Look.
We did it with some clear glue. It was pretty pretty. And we added some blue food coloring, people. And it turned out very pretty.
So this is like...
We also added some yellow. So.
We're calling this some ocean blue.
We're calling it ocean breeze.
Like an ocean, yeah, ocean breeze. But this actually makes it ugly.
The yellow makes it ugly, and so you need it in. But let me show you this slime. This slime's like a blue, if you can, it's like a bluish, purplish slime. It's very pretty. It has a couple of stars actives in it. It's not really stretchy, but it's very crunchy. It doesn't make bubbles as well as other slimes, but it's very pretty slime.
But you can also look at this one for a minute. And this one is actually...
Look at that cup. It's so cool.
Crunchy. So you can...
It's so crunchy because you made it.
Look. And at the end, there'll be a special part. And no gas, no nothing, just a little special part.
A special slime that you'll be seeing.
A special slime.
I'm going to show some of the slimes that some false slimes. Show them some bad slimes. That. Oh, dude, that was your name.
This one, I don't want to hear no like, it's moldy. It might look moldy on the camera, but this is the one that Serenity made.
Don't lie, Alma. You made that. You don't have to lie to the camera.
Okay, fine. Serenity made it, and I...
I did not make that slime, girl. That ugly thing, I did not make that.
Well, we both made it, because...
Okay, I'll let you say that. Camera, don't believe her. I did not make that ugly slime here.
Well, technically she did. Because look, this is the slime she made.
It was beautiful. It was purple and I dyed it blue, and I have like...
Look, see? There's some purple spots in there. And then she added some of this one. So technically she made it.
No, but it was already ugly and hard.
Yeah.
And it was already ugly and hard.
But she did made it a little uglier.
This helped. I'm going to add the same ingredients.
But...
I'm adding the same ingredients. It's hard as a rock.
Well,
oh yeah, I'm making
we had a rock slime. I can show you.
Yeah, go show me some cool slimes. I don't know why, you know.
Some rock slimes. I can even show you. Come on, guys.
I have to do a couple of kneading.
Oh, she has to do some kneading if you want to see.
You want to see my magic over here.
Yeah, she just needs to see some magicness. And yes, if you see us at our school, please do not go up to us and
look at us.
Like because that just makes us a little weirdo, and we don't really want everybody to know that I have a YouTube channel. Look, brother's watching this, so we'll watch it, but it's her brother, basically. She calls me that because her brother, she doesn't want to embarrass her brother as much. Even though he's in Kindle. But anyways, let me show you. Let's go back to the table. Actually, yeah, let's go back to the table. Sorry, my fingers are in the way. I just had to do some. Yeah, look, guys. Just some kneading. If you want to know some little things about little slime tricks, but there's also one thing. Clear glue doesn't really like, how do you say it, stretch.
It's not like you cannot. Guys, here's a tip. Do not make slime out of clear glue. It's very pretty and all, but it takes forever.
These are my fingers that y'all see close up. But look, this is one that we sold before, but then it dried out. So look, it's kinda.
That rock slime?
Yeah.
We're gonna sell it. What happened to that pink slime that we were gonna sell? Remember you remember it was pink and you died?
Look, this is just.
Girl, I think I need your help. We need.
No.
Show the camera how to knead. Come on, for real.
Hold on.
You haven't showed them that part yet. And this slime needs some help.
Let me help her. This is gonna go right here. We're actually gonna sell this.
Girl, give me some of that. Give me some of that. This slime needs some help.
So if we sell this to you, then we'll give you a shout out if you have.
Yeah, do not. Yeah, if
you want us to have give you a shout out or anything. So if we give you slime,
that actually turned out really good.
If we give you slime, we'll give you our channel name like on a piece of paper, because we'll have little receipts probably. Yeah, we'll make a little receipts.
Will you do that at the copy machine somewhere? Yeah. We'll probably buy someone. What? Someone's coming?
My pencil.
Huh?
My panel.
What panel?
Pencil.
Your pencil? Oh, you want a pencil?
Yes.
Oh.
Can we go to the mall and get one?
Oh, fine. Pause the camera. Guys, hold on. We're kind of just going to pause the camera. We'll be right back, okay?
Okay. See you in our next video.
No, not in our next video. We'll be right back because we didn't show them our mystery slime.
Actually, you're going to have to go check out our other video to check that out. And
check us out at the mall, but then come back here because we'll be right back, okay? So please go check out our other video. You'll see us at the mall eating pretzels. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, hey.
Peace.
We're back.